Hey everyone! Welcome back. In just 2 minutes. You won't believe your eyes as we explore how AI can create stunning images. You might have come across AI-generated images while browsing the internet, and there are several popular AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 2, Blue Willow, and many more. Some of these tools require a subscription fee, and not all of them can generate realistic and perfect designs. Today, I'll introduce you to a game changer in the world of AI image generation, LeonardoAI. In the past, I briefly covered LeonardoAI, but in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of using this tool to create outstanding and realistic images. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Leonardo.AI. Click on the first link, which will redirect you to their homepage. Alternatively, you can find the link in the description below. Now click on Create Account and provide your name and email to join the waitlist. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. After signing up, click on Yes, I'm in the waitlist. You can sign up through Google or your email and password. Once you've created your account, you'll be redirected to the app Leonardo.AI page. Here, you'll find a daily token allocation of 150 tokens for free. These tokens allow you to generate 150 images daily. If you need more tokens, you can choose to subscribe to their paid plans, which offer 8,000 tokens for just $10. Next, let's take a look at the featured models. LeonardoAI provides various AI image models for different categories, such as realistic images, 3D images, vector images, anime style, and many more. It's an impressive array of options to explore. Scrolling down, you'll find the Recent Creations section, where the public has generated outstanding images using these models. The possibilities seem endless here. By clicking on an image, you can see its full details, including the prompt used for generating it and the model employed. Now comes the exciting part, creating your own images. Click on AI Image Generation, and you'll be taken to a page where you can unleash your imagination. In the first input box, describe the image you want to generate. Below that, you can select a model that suits your needs. For this demonstration, I'll choose the Anime Pastel Dream model, but feel free to experiment with other styles for better results. On the left side of the page, you have various options to enhance your creations. You can change the aspect ratio of the image or generate multiple images simultaneously. You can also add negative prompts to guide the AI in creating your desired output. If you have specific images you'd like to use, you can upload them to LeonardoAI. The AI will incorporate your image into the generation process, resulting in a unique blend of your creativity and AI magic. Once you've generated your images, take your time to explore the options and choose the one that resonates with you the most. If you're not satisfied with the initial results, don't worry. Simply tweak the settings and generate again until you get the perfect image. For an added touch, you can use the upscale feature to enhance the resolution of your selected image. You can also remove backgrounds and fine-tune other elements, giving you greater control over the final result. Oh, and there's more. LeonardoAI also offers an AI Canva feature. Upload any image you like, and through Photoshop Generative Fill, the AI will expand your image, making it a valuable addition to your creative arsenal. In conclusion, LeonardoAI is a fantastic tool for all creators, artists, and anyone looking to dive into the realm of AI-generated images. It's free to get started with 150 daily tokens, and if you need more, their affordable subscription plans have you covered. So why wait? Head over to Leonardo.AI, explore your imagination, and unlock the limitless possibilities of AI image generation. I can't wait to see what incredible creations you'll come up with. Until next time, peace out and happy image generation.